Chapter 1. Basic Greetings in Spanish. Listen to the Spanish for hello.
Hola. 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 Hola.
Please repeat.
Hola.
Now, let's hear an example sentence.
Hola a todos. Hola a todos.
Hello, everyone.
Hola a todos.
Now, listen to the Spanish for how are you?
¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás?
Please repeat.
¿Cómo estás?
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Hello, how are you?
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Now, listen to the Spanish for good morning and good afternoon.
Buenos días. Buenas tardes.
Listen to the Spanish for good morning again.
Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días. Buenos días.
Please repeat.
Buenos días.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Buenos días. ¿Dormiste bien? Buenos días. ¿Dormiste bien?
Good morning. Have you slept well?
Buenos días. ¿Dormiste bien?
Now, listen to the Spanish for good afternoon.
Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
Please repeat.
Buenas tardes.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Buenas tardes. ¿Ya terminaste por hoy? Buenas tardes. ¿Ya terminaste por hoy?
Good afternoon. Are you done for the day?
Buenas tardes. ¿Ya terminaste por hoy?
Now, listen to the Spanish for good evening and take care.
Buenas tardes. Cuídate.
listen to the Spanish for good evening. Again.
Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes. Buenas tardes.
Please repeat.
Buenas tardes.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Buenas tardes. ¿Vas a casa? Buenas tardes. ¿Vas a casa?
Good evening. Are you heading home?
Buenas tardes. ¿Vas a casa?
Now, listen to the Spanish for take care.
Cuídate. 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 Cuídate.
Please repeat.
Cuídate.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Cuídate. Hablaremos pronto. Cuídate. Hablaremos pronto.
Take care and let's talk soon.
Cuídate. Hablaremos pronto.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say hello?
Hola.
Do you remember how to say how are you?
¿Cómo estás?
Do you remember how to say good morning?
Buenos días.
Do you remember how to say good afternoon?
Buenas tardes.
Do you remember how to say good evening?
Buenas tardes.
Do you remember how to say take care?
Cuídate.
Let's move on with two more greetings. Listen to the Spanish for see you and bye.
Nos vemos. Adiós.
Listen to the Spanish for see you again.
Nos vemos. Nos vemos. Nos vemos. Nos vemos.
Please repeat.
Nos vemos.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Cuídate. Nos vemos. Cuídate. Nos vemos.
Take care. See you.
Cuídate. Nos vemos.
Now, listen to the Spanish for bye.
Adiós. 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 Adiós.
Please repeat.
Adiós.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Hasta luego. Adiós. Hasta luego. Adiós.
See you. Bye.
Hasta luego. Adiós.
Let's move on with one last example. Listen to the Spanish for good night.
Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches. Buenas noches.
Please repeat.
Buenas noches.
Now let's hear an example sentence.
Buenas noches. Nos vemos. Buenas noches. Nos vemos.
Good night. See you.
Buenas noches. Nos vemos.
Okay, now it's your turn. Do you remember how to say, see you?
Nos vemos.
Do you remember how to say, bye?
Adiós.
Do you remember how to say, good night?
Buenas noches.
Okay, are you ready to be quizzed on the words and phrases you just learned? We'll say the English, and you say the Spanish. Are you ready? Hello.
Hola.
Hello, everyone.
Hola a todos.
How are you?
¿Cómo estás?
Hello. How are you?
Hola. ¿Cómo estás?
Good morning.
Buenos días.
Good morning. Have you slept well?
Buenos días. ¿Dormiste bien?
Good afternoon.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon. Are you done for the day?
Buenas tardes. ¿Ya terminaste por hoy?
Good evening.
Buenas tardes.
Good evening. Are you heading home?
Buenas tardes. ¿Vas a casa?
Take care.
Cuídate.
Take care, and let's talk soon.
Cuídate. Hablaremos pronto.
See you.
Nos vemos.
Take care. See you.
Cuídate. Nos vemos.
Bye.
Adiós.
See you. Bye.
Hasta luego. Adiós.
Good night.
Buenas noches.
Good night. See you.
Buenas noches. Nos vemos.
There you have it. You have mastered basic greetings in Spanish.